Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We're going to do a Dallas-Fort Worth toy review. I'm at the Antique Toy Club of America event, DFW, this 2025, and I have a Marklin Cannon image here to show in review. So cheers from Ed. Stay tuned for more. Okay, well, without further ado, we have a Marklin, and Marklin symbol is right there, the crest. We have a Marklin cannon, and this ends up being quite a rare naval style cannon that was picked up by a friend of mine, and he brought it. He's a cannon expert, Mr. Jack, and it's appreciated, and so we will get into details. Cannons like this were known in the Marklin cataloging as a Fidelio series. It was an interesting marketing. They didn't call them guns or cannons or war toys, but war toys were marketed under the Fidelio brand. This is probably just before World War II, and in many cases it would be drawn by a horse. Most likely this is like a miniature caisson to hold shells inside, and then you had different leveling. This is the wheels, which I'll show in a minute. This is the raising and lowering, which is quite cool. And here is some close-up detail where you can see rivet, 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 rivet style of casting. Rivet, rivet style of casting. This would have been wood, that would have been wood in the real item. All this is iron, but that would have been painted wood, that would have been painted wood, that would have been wood. And then this band on the top would represent a steel banding to make your wooden wheels last. Quite a nice detail. And then over here, rivet, 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 rivet. All that was hand painted. Okay, we have more detail on that cannon. The barrel, brass, and they used black powder. Black powder was highly corrosive, so this is a nice survivor. The diameter on that, I can guess roughly a centimeter. And you never would know it, but they got extremely accurate, and when the cannon fires, it has a recoil spring back here. So boom, boom, boom. Quite interesting. Then there's an actual breech where you can load things, and a firing pin. Okay, we're gonna look at some of the complex gears. Our gun with this ends up being a naval style gun where the wheels turn. And so let's say it was on a ship and we needed space, or submarine. The gears turn and the wheels fold back on these pivots. And then here's another example. You get the little sight. Again, the Marklin symbol. Got the firing mechanism, probably for the powder. You got the locking wheels, probably for the ship so it doesn't roll. Miniature caisson. And details back here. So, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Be sure to check out AntiqueToys.com, as well as Marz Auctions, M-A-R-Z Auctions. And we're constantly running auctions. Check out our latest on Live Auctioneers. And then if you have items with this symbol, the Marklin symbol, please contact us. We'd love to help adopt out some awesome toys we buy, and I personally enjoy Marklin toys. So have a great afternoon and day. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Take care.